Sure, Wafethu, I hope you're grand. Today I want us to talk about the appreciation. But firstly, I want to ask you this. Are you happy empilo yakho? Ngabe u-happy na la ukhona ngempilo? Ngabe la usebenza khona, are you happy enough? Ngabe kule relationship okuyona u-happy na? Like u-happy? I know we answer yakho ukuthi izothi no, simply because you lack the appreciation. You always think ukuthi wena ayikho into enhle ongayenza, ayikho into enhle engeyenzeka empilweni yakho, because you don't notice the small things that you are doing. Do you know what if you can start paying attention ey'ntweni ey'ncane ozenzayo can make it different enkulu empilweni yakho? Everything that you see enkulu la emhlabeni started small. Every big person that you know la emhlabeni didn't start where he is now. He started from the bottom, because yonke into emhlabeni iqala phansi. But kwenzeka kanjani lokho? By appreciating yonke into, no matter ukuthi ingakanani into efika empilweni yakho, be grateful. Because without being grateful, you won't be successful or succeed into whatever you are doing empilweni. Thina bantu, we lack appreciation in a way that it destroys us ukuthi singaboni ama blessings afike empilweni zethu, because thina we always focus on the negative things that are happening to us instead of ukuthi si focus ezintweni ezipositive. We always vibrate low because thina hlezi sibheke izinto ezimbi then izinto ezinhle ezifike empilweni yethu. Kunabantu abahlukumezile empilweni zethu bashiya. Thina into esinotisayo lapho sinothisa okubi abakwenzile kuthina, but we forget about the good things that they once did empilweni zethu. Kunabantu abasikhuluma kabi namhlanje sibasizile, bakhohliwe lokho ukuthi sike sabasiza, sike saba bahle empilweni zabo. But ngephutha encane silenzile sekuyinto enkulu leyo. So my advice today ukuthi let's learn to appreciate whatever small thing that is happening empilweni yakho. For impilo yakho ukuzishintshe, learn to appreciate.